Yes.
Today, good morning everyone. On the behalf of Analyst Nuyawali, I want to deliver my topic today: arithmetic progressions. It's very useful for the competition exams as well as 10th class, as well as plus one class. So it's very useful topic. Arithmetic progressions. We can write the short form of arithmetic progression is AP. What do they mean by AP? A series of number that decrease or increase as same amount each time. A series which had the same amount. Same amount meaning क्या होगा? Same amount meaning the same difference between the two numbers. As example, we can write that 2, 8, 14, 20. This is called the AP. How it is AP? Difference between the two numbers is 6. Difference between the two numbers is 6 and difference between the two numbers is 6. So this is called the AP, which shows that the difference between the two numbers and the next two numbers will be the same. If the difference is the same, it is called AP. If a difference between these numbers are not equal, then it is not an AP. So after the AP, we have to find next part. There is given the AP, we have to find the term as well as first term and the next term, and then found the nth term. So if the AP is given 3, one thing more I want to tell you, in the series I told you it is decreasing or increasing. It's the function which are increasing, and now I want to give the example that is a decreasing functions like 3, 1, minus 1, minus 3. It is also an AP. How it is an AP? I want to give the examples. Difference between the two. If we want to find that D is the common difference, D is the common difference between the two numbers. So we have to subtract the next number minus the previous number. This is the next numbers. We have to subtract this number. 1 minus 3. Difference is minus 2. And then minus 1 next number minus the previous numbers. Minus 1 is minus 2. Difference is same. So it is an AP. So we find the AP which term whose the difference between the term is same. Pause down the video. Now, the most important term of the AP is the last term, that is called AN. This is the last term as well as nth term of AP. This is very important. The formulas of the nth term is A plus n minus 1 D. A is the first term of AP, n is the number of terms which we want to find, and D is the common difference between the two numbers. If we want to find the next term, if you have given the AP like this 3, 9, 15, 21, this is given the AP. We have to first of all check this is AP or not AP. Then we have to find the next term. So this is the first term 3, second term 9, third term 15. If the question is that the given series is an AP, so how to find this is AP? So we have to find the common difference B. We have only checked 2 and the 3 numbers. A2 minus A1. This is the formula to find the D. Second term minus the previous term. Next term minus the previous term. A2 is 9 minus 3 is 6. Then also check A3 minus A2. I have told next term minus previous term, 15 minus 9, 6. Common difference is the same, so it is an AP. It is an AP. This is the questions related to this given series is AP or not an AP. Now the second questions arise, find the next term. How to find the next term? Next term finds how many terms we have already given. There is 4 terms we have given, and now we have to find next 2 terms. If we want to find 5th term, so then we will use the formula of nth term. How we find that? There is the 2 reasons. We can also find this is the 4th term. The common difference is same. We can put common difference in the next term. We can find this. But by using the formula, we can also find this very easily. There is given the nth term, and we have to find the 5th term. What is the value of n? In these functions, n is 5. So there is given a plus a5 meaning a plus n minus 1, 5 minus 1, 14. If we have find the term of any term, as like we have to find a20, so then n is 20. So what is the value of a20? A plus 19d. If we find the value of 31st term, so a31st we have to find a plus 30d. So then put the value of a and d. What is the value of a? You have given the AP. First term is the value of a. Always a series is given. Then what is the value of a? What is first term? The given series, the first term is the first number of the series. And what is the common difference? I have already told you. Second term minus first term. Third term minus 8. We have in other series we haven't need to find the a2 minus a1 and a3 minus a2, because we have already given the given series in AP. Then only we have find first term and the common difference a2 minus a1. Put the value of a and d in the series and you will get the next term. What is the value of a? A is 3 plus 4. Common difference is 6. So what is the next term? 3 plus 24 equal to 27. If we have found the next term a6, what is the meaning of a6? I have already told you about this. A plus n minus 1, 6 minus 1, 5d. Put the value of a and d, you will find the next term. So close down the video. Now some examples, some important sum for the practice. As I told you, we have to find the first term and then the common difference between the two numbers, and then we have to find the 20th term, and in this sum we have to find the common difference given the sum. So first of all we have to given the series 7, 12, 17. So you already know first term is 7, second term is 12, and it is given that the given series is an AP. So we have only find the common difference D. A2 minus A1, 12 minus 7, the common difference is 5. So we have already get first term and the common difference. So what do we have to find? 20th term. So what is the meaning of 20th term? I already tell A20. A20 meaning A plus n minus 1 means 19D. Put the value of A and D. So what is the value of A? A is given 7 plus 19D. 7 plus 95. So what is the value of 20th term of this AP is 102. You can also find some more sums from this with the help of these examples. And the second example you have given, first term is 5, nth term is 30 and n is 11. So we have given A equal to 5 and an is equal to 30. So what do you mean by an? N is given 11. Put the value of n. So n is 11. What is the value of A11? A plus 10d equal to given 30. Put the value of a, then we will find d. So put a equal to 5 plus 10d equal to 30. 10d equal to 30 is the plus 5, getting the minus 5. 10d equal to 25 and d equal to 25. This is the multiple and we put in the divide. The value of the d is 2.5. Pause down the So next we have given the two more sums. Which term of AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? So we have to find which terms. So first of all, write down the AP 3, 8, 13 and 18. If we have to find which term and how many terms. So first of all, find first term and the common difference. First term is 3, second term is 8, and common difference I have already told you, a2 minus a1. a2 is 8 minus a1 is 3. The common difference is 5. If we find the which term, let an equal to, what is the value of an? Which term is given? Value of an is 78. We have to find on the n. So put the formula of an, a plus n minus 1d equal to 78. Now put the value of a and d and you will get the value of n. A is given 3 plus n minus 1d. What is the value of e? D is 5 equal to 78. 3 plus multiply the 5. 5n minus 5 equal to 78. 5n 3 minus 5 minus 2 equal to 78. 2 is negative there and we take it on the another side. It will be the positive. 78 plus 2 80. N equal to 80. A multiple goes into the divisions. We got 16. So what is the n term is 16 term of the AP. So this term is also the same. How many terms? So we have already given the AP. First term is 7. Second term is 13. We find D. How to find D? You already know. A2 minus A1. 13 minus 7. It is given 6. And in this series, how many term of AP? The series given the last term. We have already given the last term. What is the last term? An equal to 205. We put the value of An. A plus n minus 1 d equal to 205. Put the value of A and d. So what is A? 7 plus n minus 1 d is 6 equal to 205. 7 plus multiply the 6 in bracket. 6 equal to 205. 7 minus 6 1 plus 6n equal to 205. 6n equal to 205 minus 1 204 n equal to 204 divided by 6. We will get 3 and 4. So n is 34. And this will be the answer. Pause down. Now the next sum. How many two-digit number multiple or divisible, both are the same, by 3? So we have to find such sums. There are the many sums like this, a two-digit number, three-digit numbers, and the examiner can ask us about such type of questions. Two-digit number, multiple of 3. So what is the first number which is the two-digit number multiple by 3 is 12. Second number is 15. And the last number which is divisible by 3 is 99. So first of all we have to find the two-digit number and three-digit number which is divisible by 3, 7, 9 as he can ask us. So our first term is 12, second term 15, and what is the common difference? A2 minus A1. 15 minus 12 is 3, and I already told this is the last term, so an equal to 99. Put the value of an, a plus n minus 1d equal to 99. Now put the value of a and d, and we will get the value of n. The a is 12 plus n minus 1, d is 3 equal to 99. 12 plus 3n minus 3 equal to 99. 12 minus 3, 9 plus 3n equal to 99. 3n equal to 99 minus 9 is 90, and n equal to 90 upon 3, 30. So you can also check the number of two-digit number multiple of 3 from 12 to 99 is 30. So with the help of this formulas we can find. And in other competition exams, such type of questions asked about this. How many two-digit number, how many three-digit numbers are this? So next sum is given. 11th term of AP is 38, and 16th term of AP is 73. Find the 31st term. So first of all, 11th term. You can understand A11 meaning A plus 10B equal to 38, and 16th term A plus 15D equal to 73. These are the two equations, and we have to solve the two equations. So first of all, by subtracting, change the sign of the second equations, minus, minus, minus. 10 minus 15 minus 5d. 38 minus 73 minus 35. Cancel minus into minus. D equal to 35 upon 5. D is 7. Put the value of D in equation 1. Put D equal to 7 in equation 1. A plus 10B equal to 38. A plus 7D equal to 38. A equal to 38 minus 7D minus 30. This is the value of A and D, and what we have to find? 31st term. What do you mean by 31st term? A plus 30D. Put the value of A and D. A is minus 32 plus 30D is 7. Minus 32 plus 210. So what we get after 210 minus 32, we will get 178. This is the part of AP, and most important part for the 10th class. These are the two exercises maybe have been completed, 5.1 and 5.2, and I hope you easily do this. For example,